If you're trying to get a Bluehost discount, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find a discounted promotional price, compare the available plans, and make sure you see the savings before you pay. This is a quick and easy way to avoid overpaying when you sign up for hosting. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, go to the official Bluehost website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the section that says Web Hosting or a button that says View Plans and Pricing. This is where Bluehost shows the hosting plans that are currently available, along with any promotional pricing they may be offering. Next, take a few moments to compare the available plans. Bluehost usually shows multiple options, and each one may come with different features, prices, and billing terms. As you look through them, pay close attention to the discounted promotional price displayed on the plan. This is the key part, because the discount is often shown right away before you even get to checkout. After that, select the plan that fits your needs best. If you're just starting out, you may want a basic plan. If you're building a larger site or need more flexibility, you can choose a higher tier. The important thing is to choose the plan that gives you the best value for your goals while still taking advantage of the promotional offer. Once you've selected a plan, you'll be asked to choose your billing term. This can affect the total amount you pay and the savings you receive. In many cases, longer billing terms may show a better discount or lower monthly equivalent price, so be sure to review your options carefully before moving forward. Now, continue to checkout. This is where you want to double check everything before entering payment information. Make sure the discounted price is still showing clearly on the order summary. Sometimes the final total can change depending on add-ons, billing length, or other selections, so always review the pricing before you pay. If the discounted promotional price is visible and everything looks correct, then you're all set to finish the purchase. That's the simplest way to get a Bluehost discount, and make sure you're taking advantage of the current offer. And that's it. You now know how to go to Bluehost, compare the plans, find the promotional price, and confirm the discount before checkout. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.